My name is Jeff, my wife Renee, and we're the owners of the Spud trailer. I've been wanting to do this for 20 years, going around to the different fairs in Central Florida. I felt like there was one thing missing, and that was fresh cut fries. Bringing fresh cut fries to Central Florida, trying something new with calling them Spud nuts.
What are Spud nuts? I've never heard of that before.
Donut holes, but made out of potato.
It's a home-style potato donut. It's something new and interesting, and that they're gonna want to keep coming back and trying more.
I'm just excited to get rolling here, cooking up and dishing out.
You work with?
Tony.
How was it working with you?
Tony was great, very friendly, happy to help, and great at giving us ideas and letting us know what's going on. We are out of Central Florida, St. Cloud area. We are going to be out and about all of Central Florida. Let us know if you have an event or you want to come just try our food. It's delicious.